If you love cycling, you know that it's not just about the ride, it's about the experience. From boosting safety and comfort to adding a touch of tech-savvy fun, the right gadgets can completely transform your biking adventures. Luckily, Amazon is packed with innovative tools and clever accessories designed to make every ride smoother, safer, and way more enjoyable. In this list, we've rounded up 20 of the coolest bike gadgets that are pure genius. Whether you're a casual rider, a daily commuter, or a weekend trail warrior, these picks are sure to make your bike feel smarter, sleeker, and downright irresistible. Kamingo E-bike Kit. The Kamingo E-bike Kit is a clever, sleek way to transform your bike without losing its character. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, it delivers up to 750 watts of peak power and mounts easily on standard bottle cage and seat stays. Its 266 watt-hour battery provides up to 90 kilometers of assisted riding, making it ideal for commuters and casual riders. Priced at $350 with a simple, quick installation, it's convenient and efficient. While the friction drive may struggle on chunky tires or rough trails, for road and city bikes, it's pure genius. Lumos Ultra E-bike Smart Helmet. The Lumos Ultra E-bike Smart Helmet is a perfect blend of safety, technology, and modern design for today's cyclists. Priced at $230, it features integrated LED turn signals, controlled by a wireless handlebar remote, keeping you visible and connected on every ride. The helmet includes MIPS technology, offering advanced protection against rotational impacts and meets US CPSC safety standards. With app-controlled lighting, customizable patterns, and ride tracking, it's built for smart commuting. Comfortable, adjustable, and stylish, the Lumos Ultra is a must-have gadget for every tech-savvy cyclist. Fingerprint Bike Lock. The Fingerprint Bike Lock is a smart, secure, and tech-forward solution for modern cyclists. Priced at $50, it features advanced AI biometric technology that unlocks in just 0.2 seconds. Your finger is the key, eliminating worries about lost keys or forgotten codes. With Bluetooth app control and Apple Watch compatibility, it offers seamless convenience and tracking. Built from alloy steel with a braided cable for 55,000 Newton shear resistance, it's tough and reliable. IP67 waterproofing ensures performance in any weather, while its long-lasting battery delivers up to 3,000 unlocks per charge. Garmin Varia RTL515. The Garmin Varia RTL515 is a game-changing bike gadget that enhances safety and confidence on every ride. Priced at $150, it combines a powerful taillight with radar technology that detects vehicles approaching from up to 153 yards away. It pairs effortlessly with Garmin Edge computers, smartphones, and apps like Ride with GPS, providing visual, audible, and vibration alerts. With visibility up to 1 mile and a sleek, compact design, it's ideal for both solo and group rides. Offering up to 16 hours of battery life, it's a must-have for serious cyclists. Bike Action Camera. The Bike Action Camera is a must-have gadget for cyclists who want to record, navigate, and ride smarter. Priced at $180, it captures crisp 4K UHD footage with 6-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth videos even on bumpy trails. It doubles as a cycling computer with GPS tracking, speed monitoring, and route recording, displayed on a clear 0.96-inch IPS screen. With Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision via the IMX335 sensor, and a powerful headlight, it's perfect for day or night rides. IP65 waterproof and easy to mount, it's built for every adventure. Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit. The Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit is an excellent choice for cyclists who want to turn their regular bike into an e-bike without the heavy price tag. Delivering 250 watts of power and 40 Newton meters of torque. This lightweight 2.6 kilogram kit offers smooth pedal assist and easy installation. It provides a range of 15 to 30 kilometers depending on battery settings, perfect for daily commutes or short city rides. Priced around €550, £549, it's a cost-effective way to go electric while keeping your bike's natural feel and handling intact. Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump. The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump is a compact powerhouse every cyclist should have. Priced at $40, it packs a 5,000 mAh battery, capable of inflating up to 8 tires per charge. With a max pressure of 150 psi and 10 L per minute airflow, it can refill a 700 by 23C tire in just 32 seconds. Its all-in-one hose design with rotating Presta and Schrader valve makes inflation effortless and tangle-free. The built-in cooling system allows continuous use for 25 minutes, while the auto shutoff ensures perfect tire pressure every time. Portable, efficient, and smart. An absolute win. Victoper Bike Light. The Victoper Bike Light is a budget-friendly yet powerful lighting solution for night riders. Priced at $25, it features dual high-lumen LEDs that brightly illuminate your path, ensuring maximum visibility and safety. With 6 front light modes and 4 rear light modes, you can easily adjust brightness and patterns for any condition. Built from durable aluminum alloy and rated IPX4 waterproof, it handles rain, mud, and rough rides with ease. Lightweight and easy to install, it doubles as a handy flashlight, making it a reliable, versatile companion for every cyclist. REDSHIFT ARCLIGHT Pro. The REDSHIFT ARCLIGHT Pro pedals redefine bike safety and performance. Priced at $200, these CNC machined aluminum pedals deliver exceptional traction with 10 replaceable pins per side, ensuring a solid grip on or off-road. Their built-in SmartSet LED lights automatically switch on and adjust color, white in front, red in back, for ultimate visibility. With 360-degree illumination and up to 36 hours of USB rechargeable runtime, you'll be 57% more visible to drivers. Durable, weatherproof, and sleek, the ARCLIGHT PRO pedals combine cutting-edge safety tech with rugged MTB-level performance for any ride. BikeHand Bike Repair Stand. The BikeHand Bike Repair Stand is a reliable and affordable essential for any home mechanic. Priced at $85, it's built from lightweight aluminum alloy, yet strong enough to hold bikes up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. The 360-degree rotatable clamp and quick-release adjustments make it easy to position your bike at the perfect angle for repairs. It folds compactly for storage and includes a magnetic tool plate for keeping small parts handy. Durable, stable, and backed by a 5-year warranty, it's a trusted stand for effortless bike maintenance. Bike speaker and phone holder. The bike speaker and phone holder is the ultimate all-in-one gadget for cyclists who love music and functionality. Priced at $60, it features a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker that delivers crisp, clear audio, with support for TF cards, AUX, and hands-free calls for safe riding. Its sturdy phone mount fits most 3.5 to 7-inch phones securely, even on bumpy rides. Equipped with bright LED lights, a 120 decibel horn, and a 5,000 mAh power bank, it combines entertainment, safety, and practicality. Compact, durable, and easy to mount, this device turns every ride into a smart adventure. E-bike battery bag bike. The e-bike battery bag is a smart and durable storage solution designed specifically for e-bikes. Priced at $80, it features a dedicated battery compartment with a protective divider to keep your battery safe and secure on every ride. With an impressive 40-liter capacity, it easily holds tools, clothes, and other essentials for long trips. Its EVA hard shell construction offers strength, water resistance, and a sleek look. Reflective strips boost nighttime visibility, while padded cushioning protects fragile items. Stable, spacious, and weather-ready, this bag is perfect for organized, worry-free e-bike adventures. Bike travel bag. The bike travel bag is a durable and practical choice for cyclists who frequently travel with their bikes. Priced at $48, It's made from extra thick 900D Oxford fabric with a 210D lining, offering excellent protection against rain, UV rays, dust, and scratches. Thoughtful features include separate compartments for the bike and wheels, adjustable shoulder straps, and strong Velcro buckles for added security. A front pocket keeps tools and accessories organized, while reusable cable ties enhance stability. Suitable for 26 to 29-inch bikes, it ensures safe, easy, and reliable transport anywhere you go. Smart Bike Helmet. The Smart Bike Helmet redefines cycling safety and innovation. Priced at $184, it combines an ABS hardshell, EPS liner, and MIPS system for exceptional impact protection, meeting CPSC and EN 1078 standards. Its 360-degree lighting, with over 500 lumens, turn signals, and brake lights, ensures full visibility on the road. Through the Unit 1 app, riders can customize lighting and sync devices with over 1.5 million combinations. Built-in crash detection automatically alerts emergency contacts if needed. Stylish, award-winning, and feature-packed, this helmet is the ultimate blend of safety, technology, and modern design. Zettum Bike Cover. The Zettum Bike Cover, priced at $35, offers premium all-weather protection for one bike, whether it's a mountain, road, or electric model. Crafted from 600D heavy-duty Oxford fabric with a PU coating, it's exceptionally durable and waterproof, far outlasting typical PVC covers. Its 3 quick-release buckles and elastic drawstring keep it secure against strong winds, while dual lock holes enhance safety. Easy to put on and remove, this cover shields your bike from rain, sun, dust, and debris. A portable storage bag and cleaning cloth add extra convenience. Garmin Cycling Computer. The Garmin Cycling Computer, priced at $690, is a premium GPS device built for serious cyclists. Its vivid color touchscreen offers detailed maps, real-time navigation, and performance tracking with unmatched precision. With up to 60 hours of battery life in saver mode, it's perfect for long rides. It features road hazard alerts, Climb Pro Ascent Planner, and smart connectivity for group rides, messaging, and incident detection. The built-in speaker delivers voice prompts and a digital bike bell, while Garmin Pay adds convenience. It's truly the ultimate ride companion for pros and enthusiasts alike. Vertical Bike Stand. The Vertical Bike Stand, priced at $36, is a smart and space-saving storage solution for cyclists. Its 360-degree lockable wheels make moving and securing your bike effortless, while the freestanding design eliminates the need for drilling or wall mounts. Built with a sturdy triangular structure and adjustable V-shaped brackets, it ensures excellent stability for bikes up to 55 pounds. Compatible with 24 to 29-inch bikes, it's ideal for mountain or road bikes. Perfect for garages, apartments, or sheds, this heavy-duty steel rack keeps your bike organized, upright, and ready to ride anytime. Garmin Tacx Boost Trainer. The Garmin Tacx Boost Trainer, priced at $170, delivers a powerful and realistic indoor cycling experience. Its magnetic brake offers smooth resistance control with 10 adjustable levels, reaching up to 1050 watts for an intense workout. The included speed sensor lets you track speed and distance while syncing with popular training apps like Tacx or TrainerRoad. Setup is simple with its stable 2-click mounting system, and the 1.65 kilogram flywheel provides an authentic road-like feel. Ideal for year-round training, it's compact, durable, and perfect for cyclists of all levels. Bike Alarm. The Bike Alarm, priced at $19, is a compact yet powerful security device for bikes, e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. Featuring a sensitive vibration sensor with 7 adjustable levels, it instantly alerts you to any tampering. The remote control offers a strong 66 feet range and includes a vehicle search function with 3 bell options, perfect for locating your ride in crowded parking areas. With IP55 waterproof protection, adjustable volume, and efficient battery-saving technology, This alarm provides reliable, long-lasting performance and peace of mind wherever you park.